Hey guys, welcome back. Today our story starts here at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport at Bangkok, Thailand. Once again, if you guys enjoy watching my content, take a second to smash on that big red subscribe button down below. Other than that, let the journey begin! So as we line up onto the ATR 76, today our flight is from Bangkok to Koh Samui and is operated by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline. To be honest, we don't have much of a choice here because it seems that Bangkok Airways is the only airline that operates this route from Bangkok to Koh Samui right now. Anyways, the flight was a morning flight. Flight time was around 1 hour and 10 minutes, and as you can see, the skies were clear on that day, so we were lucky enough to see the Pattaya coast right after takeoff. And that big island right there is called Koh Kram, which is a really beautiful island off the coast of Pattaya. Now anyways, enough with the storytelling. On this trip actually, after we landed, we were headed off to Koh Phangan first before coming back to Samui. So don't forget to go check out my other luxury hotel review at Koh Phangan video, which will be out very soon. So here we are guys at Samui Island. So from the Samui airport, it takes around 15 minutes to get to the resort, which is nice and fast. Oh, fun fact! Did you know that Samui Island, not Samoa, because that's like somewhere in the middle of the Pacific. Anyways, Samui is the second largest island in Thailand, just a bit behind Phuket. Oi, anyways, enough geography for now. I'll get back to you guys when we arrive at the resort. So as you guys can see, the resort's lobby already says a lot for what it is. There's no wonder why it's a luxury 5-star resort. So upon arrival, they will offer you with welcome drinks and snacks, which I gotta say, it sure is tasty after you've been traveling non-stop like me since the morning. Now before I show you guys around, let's take a seat and have some snacks. So here it is guys, me trying out the welcome snacks. To be honest, when they told us that it would explode into different flavors, I was like, nah, no way. But here it is guys, you see my face right there? Whoa. Oh my god, it did explode into different flavors inside my mouth. So be sure to give it a try. Anyways, after that my group was still busy checking in and stuff, so let's go walk around the lobby. Here you can see that below us is the indoor breakfast area, which during lunch is also used as the hotel's restaurant. And the lobby as a whole, it's very spacious, and if you guys expected it to be with AC, well, it's not. But to my surprise guys, it's not that hot at all. I mean, at least when we were there. I don't know about you guys, but it really gives the feeling that you've arrived at the beach, as you can literally feel the breeze hitting on you. Oh wait, or is it the fan above me? I don't know guys. Anyways, it not only gave guests that luxurious feeling upon arrival, but at the same time that feeling of warmth and coziness as well. Anyways, we got our key card now. Let's head over to our room, shall we? Oh wait. Before we go to our rooms, we would need to float the marigold flowers. As they say, it's an act of respect to the guardian spirits there. Now, to the room! So this time we will be staying in the deluxe garden room, which from the looks of it, yes, it looks amazing, and it looks even better in real life. Anyways, this type of room offers a choice between a king bed or 2 twin beds. It is a 40 square meter room with a balcony facing the ocean with verdant garden views, which I will take you guys out to look at in a moment. In my opinion, the room is fantastic. Like I said, it gives you a blend of luxuriousness, warmth, and coziness. But I have to say, it feels like the space is a bit too small, I guess. Anyways, let's take a little look around the room. Oh yeah guys, for this type of room, I have to tell you guys that there are no chairs inside the room. Might be because they don't have enough space to fit in a chair, I don't know. So it's either you sit on the bed or you don't sit at all. What? I'm just kidding. So basically you guys can choose to sit on the bed or just take the chairs from a balcony inside the room, which was what we did. Cause you know, when you sit on the bed for a long time in a weird posture like I do, it kinda gives you sores. As you can see, you got your own fridge, and the wonderful thing about this is that for all room types here, I'm pretty sure that everything in the fridge is free of charge and they will refill it for you guys every single day. And here it is guys, your own personal bar area where you can be a bartender during your stay. As you can see, there are 3 flasks here labeled G, W, and V. Now these alphabets don't stand for Gatorade, water, and vitamin water guys. Instead, they stand for gin, whiskey, and vodka. So this is a warning for all those parents out there that are thinking of taking their teenage kids, like me, there. I'm just kidding guys. Oh yeah, and you guys will be introduced with this thing called the surprise of the day. Wow, sounds great, right? It's a free service that you can dial every day of your stay where they will surprise you with something. For today, we got these delicious coconut treats, so don't forget to try it out. Oh wow, guys, I have to say I can sit out here for the whole day. It just feels so natural and luxurious, and to my surprise you also get a glimpse of the ocean. Below us we can see the private pool, which is for guests who stay in the private pool access rooms. Now that we've talked about the room, let's talk about breakfast. I gotta say, if you guys think the room's already super, then the breakfast would sure leave you guys speechless. The breakfast here offers you with a variety of food styles, from American, Asian, continental, you name it. Lots of the food are also healthy food, so if you are a healthy food lover, this is the place for you. Now I gotta say guys, they have a lot of bread for us to choose from, whether it would be whole wheat, farmer bread, rye bread, you name it. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. The resort's facilities will sure blow your mind away. Let's start with the fitness center. Guys, they also got snacks for you guys so that you can energize yourself after a workout. Here, the fitness center has almost all the equipments you will need for most workouts, whether it would be the treadmill, elliptical trainer, or the step mill. Now that we talked about the gym, let's talk about the swimming pool. Now for the swimming pool. There are 3 main pools, both located next to the beach that all guests can access. Facing the beach, the pool to the left-hand side is the infinity pool. For this pool, it is specially designed for taking portraits, as it has a transparent see-through side glass which ensures that your pool photo is unique and none like others. For people who enjoy swimming like me, you guys might like the main pool to the right hand side more, as it is a wide and long pool with a nice view of the beach, perfect for a sunset swim. So overall, the resort looks absolutely stunning and looks brand new, right? Well, because it is new. This resort is the first of Centara's luxury resort projects, launching the brand called Centara Reserve, and was opened on the 1st of December in 2021, just a couple of months before I went there. The resort is surrounded by a luxury combined with natural and peaceful atmosphere. Like their tagline says it, where stories are written. My family and I had made many stories during that trip, and I am grateful that this resort has been a part of my travel experiences. Anyways, please leave a comment in the description where you guys want me to make a video about. It doesn't need to be in Thailand, but I'm making a lot of Thailand related videos right now because I just got a lot of videos from trips that I went to that were in Thailand because of the pandemic. This brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my content, like I said before, you can support me by smashing on that burning red subscribe button down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.